A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier. Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose. Cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom, then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. All you need is aluminum foil in the dishwasher to avoid having to replace your appliance. Aluminum foil has many uses, not just for food packaging. It turns out it's also a great helper in tackling residue and dullness on dishes. Its anti-corrosive properties help restore shine, making glasses look like new. Just tear off a piece of foil, place it in the dishwasher basket, gently slipping it between the bars that hold the plates. Then, add your glasses and run the dishwasher as usual. Streaks, residue, and cloudy spots on glasses are common problems that ruin the clean effect. However, after the washing cycle is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. The glasses will be spotless, streak-free, and their shine will truly dazzle. Instead of spending time polishing, the aluminum foil will do it for you. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny glasses. Everyone will surely ask how you keep them in such great condition. Every dishwasher has a hidden function. I use it when the dishwasher is full and won't accommodate any more dishes. Everyone knows that the dishwasher won't function properly if you load it with large bowls or pots that block the blades. You also can't wash tall glasses that won't fit on the upper rack. You've surely faced this problem before. It's impossible to use the dishwasher in such cases. You end up taking out and rearranging dishes endlessly. But it turns out that the same dishwasher can accommodate all these dishes. Tall glasses can fit on the upper rack. Or you'll finally be able to place large dishes on the lower rack. How is this possible? The dishwasher has a certain hidden function. Few people use it. Some dishwasher users don't even know about it. Yet it's incredibly important for everyday dishwasher use. In every dishwasher, you can adjust the upper rack to 2 different heights. You can lower it or raise it. If you're loading tall dishes on the lower rack, then raise the upper rack. If you have tall glasses to wash, lower the upper rack. Some dishwashers have special buttons for this. In others, you just need to grab the upper rack when it's extended. Are you using this dishwasher function? Did you know about it? Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Throw 2 dishwasher tablets into the washing machine. This simple trick for a smelly washer works instantly. It'll be as clean as new. Regular cleaning is the key to fresh-smelling laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Pay special attention to the rubber seals, drum, and door. That's where most of the grime, detergent residue, and moisture build up. Never skip those spots. In a large container, dissolve 1 dishwasher tablet in about 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, of very hot water. Stir well until it fully dissolves. In a separate container, pour about 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, of vinegar. It has antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Pour the dishwasher tablet mixture into the detergent drawer. Pour the vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. Set your washer to a 140-degree Fahrenheit, 60-degree Celsius cycle and run it. During the cycle, the drum and seals will get a thorough cleaning. Not only will the buildup disappear, but so will bad odors and hidden gunk under the drum. You can also pour the dishwasher tablet solution into a spray bottle and use it as a cleaner for other parts of the washer. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will reward you with fresh, clean laundry and trouble-free operation.